check it out, check it, check it out, check it, check it, check it out, check it.
Hey, Greg and a CE, call me hip hop junkie. Straight to your dome piece like Grass Monkey. All I wanna know, do you wanna get funky? CNC beats beat.
Yo, what's up, guys? All right, we are down at R-Willy land today. It's we got Josh Curie and all of his kids out here, aka Spewy. So there's gonna be lots of action. I'm actually gonna GoPro up today and stick around and see what gnarly stuff we do. Who's the goodest boy at R-Willy land?
Hey! You want me to move something for you? I'll do it, I promise.
Okay, let's go.
Dylan, what's going on here today?
Are you
bro?
vlogging?
Yeah, vlogging.
What's up? Today we've got absolutely the whole Gold Coast out here at R-Willy land, and it's pretty cool having everyone out, so we'll have to go check out the shed. Ryan, I spent the last 2 days cleaning it and it's so freaking cool.
All right, we'll go check that out, but right now we're going to do what?
Like first jump, me and Quinny both do double flip for our first jump, just to the flat bag.
All right, cool, let's train it.
Okay.
All right, that was a bit silly to do that the first time. Double flip tuck. Knees are definitely not warmed up. Oh, that's all right. That's a 14-foot kicker. It's a bloody big one. So a lot of people will come here, G out on the floor. So we'll go through with everyone what to do, just like this young guy. Yo, more to come.
So literally, you're gonna pop.
How easy is it?
You're gonna pop to like to the red.
Wait, what was that?
Yeah. You're gonna
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nah, nothing.
What are you talking about?
You know, having fun. Just happy to be here.
Just happy to be here.
Yeah, bro.
Nah, he just came up and said, what's it like a double flip?
Double flip back.
Man, it's like a single flip up times 2.
Real?
Yeah, you just go a little bit faster.
do another.
Yeah, just exactly.
Alright, done.
That easy. Oh, drop it. Alright, so this one, I'll be wanting to get real good at cash rolls here, so I'm just gonna go front flip, 180, pull back, slap it in. And that is what I want to do. Alright, so there's a few things I want to try out today. So we got all the kids out here today. So that means we're riding the flight bag, and then, you know, probably a few hours from now, we'll switch over to the landing. Want to get cash rolls down again, funny rules, that's a new one for me, double flips and a few combos like that. So that should be the sort of the goal. What about you, Oscar? How's your day going, mate?
Yeah, good. First jump, a little sketchy, you know, but second jump and then third jump funny. You got it!
Nice, let's go.
Germany! Yeah.
All right, so now, front of your ruler, my hardest part is getting this bloody under me properly. Oh, that one wasn't too bad. You can see here, I'll pull my lever back again.
I think one side of my hair is longer than the other.
It actually is, that side's longer than that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good one. That's pretty much exactly what you want, but for the lander. Yeah, like the flat bag's sick, but the lander, the way how Ryan set up, you jump it, you roll up, and you can pedal back up. You get a lot more laps in. So, you know, the flat bag is absolutely sick, and you don't really want to skip that step. It's quite fortunate that Ryan actually does, you know, do this for all the kids and everyone else who does come out here. It's awesome. So, yeah, massive shout out for Ryan to all this stuff. Oh, okay, that was nicer. Oh. Man, I'm doing like old man noises when I get up. That one felt under-rotated as soon as I was in the air. But the next one, we'll pop it a little bit more. All right, so we're back up here again. Just going through the usual tricks I usually do.
I feel like I didn't
Wow. So, yeah, the triple flip has always been on the bucket list. I want to do this at the end of the year, but now we have a German about to do it on the trike. Hopefully we can find the clip here.
Like and subscribe, comment too. Let's go.
We got it from that pretty good. I've messed up the pull. That's all right. Thankfully, I'm only seeing a little bit of stars. Today double front was a bit nicer. Probably I was tucked up all the way as I could. I wonder if you'd see the footage, but I landed a little bit back wheel, but brakes I would have landed it. I've got a bit of PTSD from the double front on this part, so. Those things, I'm good at them, and I'm terrified of them.
Before the top of the ramp, I'm gonna murder my inner bitch today.
Use it. Double fronties, maybe. The other things, yeah. Aussie roll. See how this one goes. Oh yeah, that felt sick until my hand slipped. Dude, this shit's hard on your body. God damn. Hopefully I look cool. Dude, that one hurt.
Running it for paper.
Oh, you fuck! Oh, you fuck! Oh, that was gay. We're good. All right, so that last one, shit myself. Real bad. As soon as I pulled up, the bike went sideways, and sideways is not good for my knee right now. So it's been about 13 months since I had my knee surgery. It was a major one, but definitely scares the shit out of me, to be honest. Definitely don't want to go through that again. But we're here, we're in one piece. Now everyone's doing their last shots, all their last runs. Just getting some coconut water and some bananas, a few other things, quick fuel up, good for hydration. Give a hand change of the bag and let's do some stuff to the lander. All right, man crew out here, setting it up. Now this thing does get a bit of water, so we're just gonna give it a squeegee off as we go, but we might be even riding some of this stuff over here too. Sam Little and I, we spent some time fixing them up. Please, let's go. Wait, oh,
Mega ramp, can't.
oh yeah. I tried to get up, but that went up my asshole. Fuck yeah, let's go. Oh my gosh, change the front. Go. Drop it! Steel clashes, twilight echoes So you're lucky. Next one. Hi! We're all mentally insane! So pretty much straight after I did the double flip suit, man, hopefully I got a clip in here somewhere for that. Someone did a double flip under rotated and got knocked out. Killed the buzz, and the sun's starting to go a bit down. So what we're gonna do, So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the landing, put it up, and then we're gonna hit the quarter pipe. All right, here we go, gang. So this is how, oh fuck, can't use my legs. Oh shit, there's no ladder up here. Hey Willie, is the ladder down there, is it? Is the ladder in the container? What's that? Nah. We can do off-roads. Nah, we're good, he says. Mate, it looks bloody unreal. Dude, I hate big off-roads. Oh my god. So what's the rest of the plans for this deck up here, Wack?
I don't know. Just relax.
No, no way. No way.
Relax, we need more run up on the big one. We need
Yeah.
to find a flare in the moon.
Yeah, you good? Yep. That's so sketchy.
Holy crap! Oh my god!
The angles. Yeah, I didn't pedal. Oh my god. I thought I was, damn, I went flat. Was it cool? Yeah, sick. Oh my god. Dude, that was no pedaling, just chilling. And I just went to the moon. Right. Was it big? Because I didn't pedal. I was like, oh, we'll just chill on this one. Oh, no, that's alright. Not bad at all. That's chilling. I was gonna not pull out. I landed deep, man. Dude, I tried to push in that time. I just gotta like chill a little bit. Yeah, she's good for it.
I'll do it all you there.
That's sick. Let's get this off. That's definitely the biggest one I've done on that. That's for sure. Dylan's dropping in. Yo. But the hard part is staying inside it. They're not pulling out too much.
Good job, Quinny.
Oh,
Quinny's
mate.
been running smooth all day.
Mate, trying to. You just get back in the horse, giddy up.
I go for a hike. Every time I drop in, I literally go dizzy for a second when I look down. It's so scary.
Definitely a windy one today too. What's this guy doing? Dude,
Get it, Roman! He's doing his first front. Oh no, his first normal front flare, sorry.
nice. But yeah, I don't know if I want to push it much more than like that one felt big. And it's getting dark.
Oh shit!
Nice.